Hey everyone, welcome back to the Maverick channel, the channel where we try to talk about projects that are seriously impacting the cryptocurrency space. We normally focus on Fish.ai and what they're building, their autonomous economic agents, and we talk about other projects. We talk about Bitcoin, we don't talk about Ethereum that much because I have my grievances with Ethereum, but I'm always rooting for Ethereum and I hope it does well. We talk about sometimes about XRP. We talk about things that are happening. Now, today I want to focus on the Cosmos blockchain. Well, just to briefly focus on a couple of things that are, because I truly think there's something cooking behind the Cosmos blockchain. There's some serious stuff that is launching because the past few days, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and it really helps out to get my engines going and do this research and bring out this excitement for you people, for you nice people. So the thing is, there's been stuff that's cooking in the background, or rather stuff that has also been released from the Cosmos ecosystem. There's Osmosis. Osmosis is a decentralized it's an automated market maker built, I wouldn't say built on the Cosmos network, but it leverages the interblockchain protocol, communication protocol of the Cosmos network, which means it has that interoperability with other ecosystems. But the thing about Cosmos is that it allows that interoperability. It allows blockchains to actually have their own sovereign consensus mechanisms, their own architecture, but at the same time leveraging on the advantages that Cosmos has. So the thing is, there's been some serious stuff cooking in the background, or at least stuff that has been released on the Cosmos network, or maybe not natively on the Cosmos network, but stuff that has been built. Because the thing is, when a blockchain system integrates with, let's say, Tendermint and it's able to use the inter-blockchain communication protocol of Cosmos, it doesn't necessarily have to use the security or the consensus algorithm or the core architecture of the blockchain. It might use some advantages that come with using maybe Tendermint and whatnot, and the application blockchain interface of the Cosmos network, but it does not necessarily have to leverage it to use everything that the Cosmos network has to offer, but it can leverage that interoperability. For example, I say that in comparison with the Ethereum network, where if you build your application on the Ethereum network, the only way you can make it the way you can make it unique is by how you tweak your smart contracts. But with the Cosmos network, you can build something that's outside of the Cosmos network, or something that has its own sophisticated technology or algorithms that run it or make it more efficient, or that do the things that you want it to do. But at the same time, they leverage on the advantages that the Cosmos network bring, which is at the base level that inter-blockchain communication. Now, in the past, we've seen Osmosis launch on the Cosmos network, which has essentially brought the whole DeFi lending, yield farming, liquidity pool concepts that we know of, those concepts with those nice yield farming rewards. Osmosis has brought that onto the Cosmos network, which is amazing. But at the same time, we know, first of all, before we go into that, we know there's many applications like iCash, which is a cloud computing platform that is very much fronted by a lot of leaders in this space. Like we can see here, Stephen Thomas, who's the CEO of the Coil network of Coil. So if you don't know Coil, it's this platform that runs on the XRP ledger, not really on the XRP ledger, but yeah, essentially it leverages the XRP ledger to allow microtransactions. So you have your blog on the Coil network, and as people read them, these microtransactions that are streamed to your account, to your maybe XRP wallets or something. So as people read your articles, microtransactions are continuously streamed onto there, because the XRP ledger is also extremely cheap and extremely fast. So it makes that possible. So we see people like Stephen Thomas talk about this iCash platform. It's a cloud computing platform that essentially it brings decentralization to the whole cloud computing spectrum. And then we have Jacob Smith here. I haven't heard much of him. Equinix Metal. Then we have the head of Static. Basically, Static is one of the biggest platforms that you see that deal with certification of smart contracts in different networks, especially with the Binance Smart Chain. So we know the Cosmos platform, the Cosmos network is big, or in the sense that there's so many applications that have been built on the Cosmos network, like the Binance Smart Chain. This has been built on the Cosmos network. Cosmos Hub, which is basically the underlying bedrock of the of the Atom token, which is the foundational, which is the most prominent token of the Cosmos network, the Atom. And then we have Terra. Everyone knows Terra. Terra has completely taken the crypto space by storm, and it also leverages Cosmos, or is built on the Cosmos network. Crypto.com, OKX exchange, the Terra stablecoin USD, Thorchain, Cover Network, Mirror Protocol, Fetch.ai, the token that we're always talking about, or the ecosystem that we're always talking about in this channel, also built on the Cosmos network. So guys, there's other platforms, Hard Protocol, Iris Network. So there's so many prominent blockchains that are actually leveraging Cosmos, or the Cosmos network, because the Cosmos network is, in my opinion, going to be one of the largest, one of the most important, most significant innovations in the whole crypto space, because of what it brings, true interoperability, and that's extremely important. So now we also know that there is this Gravity Dex thing that's going to launch in a bit. Now I've actually participated in the tests. They did some test network before, so where you use the Kepler wallet, which is the MetaMask version of the Cosmos network. So it's their Web3 wallet that you can use on a website, Kepler wallet. So we use that to actually interact with some testnets of the Gravity Dex, and that was very exciting. So essentially what it is like a Uniswap, but for the Cosmos network, which is supposed to bring that decentralized automated market making, basically swapping feature of a decentralized exchange onto the Cosmos network in a massive, significant way, in the sense that because of that interoperability, you have true interoperability and that interaction with different platforms on the Cosmos network, and as well as going beyond that, because there is that inter-blockchain communication or functionality onto the Cosmos network. So, and the Stargate, guys, Stargate as well. This Stargate, I think it already launched. It did. The Stargate upgrade essentially magnifies all those features, the IBC, the efficiency of the Cosmos network. It makes it faster, and it makes it easier to leverage all these advantages that it has. So they've launched all these things. It's not just theory, but they've actually launched them onto the Cosmos network, which means it's actually a very powerful network as we speak. And as I keep saying, it's just a matter of time as more developers learn about this, adopt this, as more developers understand what the Cosmos network is and what it's going to do to the whole crypto space. It's going to grow into a massive contender for real. Now, there was this article written, guys, it's a short article. I'm going to quickly go through it, but if you actually listen to this article and what this writer wrote, it will put a lot of things into perspective, and you truly appreciate what is going on here. So, Tendermint, guys, Tendermint is part of a consensus algorithm on the Cosmos network, but actually Tendermint is like a company of sorts that's one of the biggest players within the Cosmos ecosystem. So Tendermint is creating a crypto app store that goes beyond Cosmos. So quick take, blockchain company Tendermint is bringing its crypto app store project out of stealth. It plans to launch a beta version, however you pronounce that, this month, before expanding to other blockchains for a September launch. So blockchain company Tendermint is building a crypto app store called Emeris that will allow access to a range of decentralized applications, or dApps. It announced that today. So this article was written on the 7th of July. So essentially that's not too long ago. So Emeris will provide a single place for users to interact with different applications, such as lending protocols and decentralized exchanges. Tendermint plans to release a beta version of the project later this month and is targeting a public launch in September. Emeris is our most ambitious product to date. We will finally offer end users a one-stop portal to navigate the internet of blockchains, because that's what Cosmos essentially calls itself, the internet of blockchains. Our beta launching this month starts fulfilling this vision with a focus on cross-chain DeFi, said Tendermint CEO Peng Zhong. So Tendermint is a core contributor to the Cosmos network, a set of multiple interconnecting blockchains, and it provides blockchain software as well as development kits, both used by blockchain projects in the Cosmos network. So, and the expanding beyond the Cosmos network, we can see here. So the beta launch of Emeris will begin as a non-custodial dashboard, meaning that users maintain control over their own funds for dApps in the Cosmos ecosystem. So it will start with a core focus on decentralized finance protocols, so DeFi protocols essentially. When the beta version goes live, it will have support for the Gravity DEX protocol, which I just talked about, a decentralized exchange for trading tokens across blockchains. It will start by supporting several Cosmos blockchains, such as the Cosmos Hub, which we talked about, which is the underlying bedrock of the Atom token, and then Crypto.com and Akash Network. That's how it's normally pronounced. So, but the plan is for Emrys to go beyond the Cosmos ecosystem. The goal will be for it to support multiple other blockchains, beginning with Ethereum. Ultimately, Emrys will bring access to the best crypto apps, no matter what blockchain they run on, said Jong. It will also grow beyond the dashboard. Tendermint hopes to build a mobile application and a browser extension wallet to provide wider access. So basically, okay, the article also goes on to say that Coinbase is trying to launch some application as well, or an app store as well, but that's going to be centralized. But essentially the focus here is to talk about Cosmos and what they're launching, these applications that are coming up. I think it's very good to actually keep an eye out on what's happening in the Cosmos network, because I think they're building these foundational layers, all these products that are eventually going to make the world wake up and realize how functional this blockchain is and how powerful it is in terms of connecting different blockchain systems. And people will actually eventually they'll realize how many actual functional applications out there are leveraging these things, these core technologies that are brought forth by the Cosmos network. So guys, I was really excited about this and finding about this, well, building my knowledge building my Cosmos knowledge. And the more I learn, the more I get excited, because the projects that I love also built on Cosmos. The projects that I use every day are built on the Cosmos network. So essentially, this is not just irrational exuberance or some type of unnatural excitement, but it's excitement that comes out of applications that I actually use, and finding out that the platform onto which they are built is actually building all these other applications that are going to make itself stronger, and these others stronger as well and more functional. So guys, I think you might want to look into this further if you're interested, but I just wanted to bring to you this in the briefest way that I can and in the most truthful way that I feel is, very relevant to this video and to this content that I'm bringing to you guys today. So hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned. I always learn a lot when I research this stuff, and hope to see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.